Hello Atomians and welcome to our today's product presentation. Today I'll be presenting you with our product Atomies Pure Tea. Well, Atomy Pure Tea contains the pure tea extract, that is the instant tea in the solid form. It is one of its kind, that is the pure tea is one of its kind which is being approved by Tea Board as well as FSSAI. Like both these license and accreditation is there for our Atomies Pure Tea. Besides this, you would be wondering what pure tea is. Well, pure tea is a unique kind of fermented tea. It is been prepared from the dried leaves of Camellia sinensis. The special broad leaves variety of Camellia sinensis, the tea variety, is being used for preparing pure tea. This pure tea is unique in itself because it has been traditionally made in many Asian countries, and the record of using pure tea is mentioned in many of the literatures as well. Pure tea is mainly known for its rich aroma and flavor as well as its health benefits. If you're talking about health benefits, well, most of the Korean people consume pure tea as a dietary supplement, as well as many Asian countries uses pure tea as a supplement or as a regular beverage as well. But what this pure tea is known for, right? What are the health benefits? Why it is so much famous these days? Well, pure tea is known for reducing the total body fat. That is, it may help you reduce the excessive fat accumulation, specifically in your abdomen area, which eventually helps in reducing and managing your weight, specifically because of the fat content which your body has, and pure tea is known for reducing those fat content, as well as the natural polyphenolic content in the pure tea is known for reducing, or you can say improving, the condition of blood cholesterol. That is, it helps in reducing and improving this condition as well. One more benefit of pure tea, that is, it is a fermented tea. So being fermented in nature, it helps in aiding your digestion. That is, it helps in digestion also. So these are so many benefits of pure tea. But the most unique feature of pure tea is that it helps in reducing the total body fat. So if you're talking about body fat, why is it important? Like, in some cases it is important to reduce the body fat. Well, because excessive accumulation of body fat leads to a condition known as obesity. This obesity is a condition in which unwanted fat cells get accumulated in your abdomen region or the other parts of the body, which may lead to the health risk. Specifically, if you are talking about the health risks, so this excessive body fat causes the cardiovascular diseases. This is one of the main cause of cardiovascular diseases, as well as the excessive weight which you gain because of this unnecessary fat leads to affect the joints, specifically the knee joints. So in the long run, it may affect your joint conditions and it may lead to the arthritis kind of problems as well. Not only this, but the excessive fat causes the overall inflammation in your body. That is the unnecessary fat. Fat is necessary to your body, but to a limited extent. If it increases, it causes unnecessary conditions. And these inflammation in your body leads to many other kind of diseases like diabetes, BP, and many of such health related, you can say the lifestyle related problems. But how to know that you are obese and you may suffer from such condition? Well, the obesity can be calculated by using the BMI, that is body mass index. This BMI value is calculated based on the weight and the height of a person, and it's very easy to calculate. If you know your weight in kgs and height in meters, you can easily calculate because it is the ratio of weight in kgs to the height in meters square. You can see in the slide as well. This BMI values ranges from 18.5 to 24.9. This is the normal range of your BMI, that is the normal weight. If this value falls below 18.5, then the person is considered as the underweight. And if this value crosses 24.9, that is 25 plus, then the person is considered as the overweight. And if not taken care and this value increases beyond 30, so the people falls under the category of obesity. That is the class 1, 2, based on how much the BMI increases, the obesity criteria increases, and this will lead to various health risks as well. Well, if you're talking about the health risk because of fat, so let us see the statistics of India. So based on the National Health Survey, it has been observed that India is the third most prevalent obese country in the world. That is, it stands the third position of obesity, which is a very risky condition, right? As well as if you see the percentage wise, so more than 40% of adult Indians are overweight, or you can say under the category of obese condition, which makes them eventually fall under the health risk category. 40% is the huge percentage, right? As well as if you want to understand in the normal terms, like if you observe around yourself, if you meet 4 people, you can easily see one in those 4 people is obese or in the overweight condition. So this is a very alarming statistics. But no worry. Why? Because Atomy has brought to you the Atomy's Pure-Tea, which is the instant tea in the solid form. Or pure tea contains the extract of that is the goodness and the natural content of the tea, which is being extracted, fermented into the pure tea, the dried solid form. Well, this whole thing is done by using the patented fermentation process. Yes, just for your understanding, if I say the unique species of special variety of tea, that is Camellia sinensis, is being collected, washed and dried, and that dried leaves of plant is being fermented, and this fermentation is the patented fermentation process which is used. And after fermenting that leaves, the extract of that ferment is being collected in the liquid form, and this liquid form is then spray dried and made into the powder. And that's why your Atomy's Pure-Tea is the instant tea in the powdered form. So this powder is again very concentrated form, and this leads us to the next point, that is Atomy's Pure-Tea has the rich content, or you can say the rich source of gallic acid. Well, this gallic acid is the active ingredient in a pure tea. And if we see at the studies, the gallic acid is a polyphenolic compound, that is the natural compound found in the tea plant. And after the studies is being seen that gallic acid helps in reducing the overall body fat content in your body. So this is how it helps in reducing your total accumulated body fat. But the special unique feature of Atomy's Pure-Tea is that 1 sachet, that is 1 gram of extract, is equivalent to 34 cups of the regular tea. That is, if you consume 34 cups of regular tea, it is equivalent to 1 sachet of Atomy's Pure-Tea. You will get the gallic acid content of 34 cups into a single sachet of Atomy's Pure-Tea. But how to use it, right? It's very easy. Only 1 sachet a day is enough for you to help control your health. And it is also very easy to prepare. How? Well, just take 1 cup of hot water and take 1 sachet of pure tea, open it, pour it and just stir it. And the 1 hot cup of tea is ready for your consumption. But what if you don't want to consume it hot? Well, you can dissolve 1 sachet into the 500 ml of normal water. Take a 500 ml of water, 1 sachet of Atomy's Pure-Tea, mix it, shake it and consume it on the regular basis in the whole day whenever you feel like, you will get the equivalent benefit from that as well. If you are looking forward to lose your weight, the best time to consume Pure Tea is half an hour before your meal, that is most preferably lunch. So that is how you can easily consume your Atomy's Pure Tea. But keep in mind one thing, Pure Tea does not dissolve in cold water. So use normal water or the hot water. So that is how you can prepare and get the maximum benefit out of Pure Tea. So I hope you got to understand the benefits of Pure Tea and how to prepare it and how to use it in the regular basis. So I hope you all will enjoy Atomy's Pure Tea and keep your health in check. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you.